How did you improve your English language? You speak quite well, we like your English, and we want to know how you practice this language. Tell us. Many people, they keep asking this kind of question. So today I decided to make one video that may help you people, right? So actually, if I say that I have improved my English language, it won't be right, because I'm on the way. I haven't improved this language, you know. Why I'm saying this? Because I have seen people, they have been learning this language for a long time, for 20 years. Can you believe? For 20 years, for 30 years, still they learn this language, they practice this language, you know. So if I see them, and from my experience also, I feel that it's never ending process. So if I say that I have improved my English, it won't be right. So hello and welcome to my channel English with Anita. I hope you people are doing great and learning English language great way. In today's video, I'm going to share with you people how I practice this language. Actually, my videos are for beginners especially. So I would like to start from my initial days, that what I used to do. As a beginner, I wasn't good at this language because I had started from scratch. I had started learning this language from zero. So I wasn't able to utter sentences properly, you know. Then what I did, I always tell that I had started learning from grammar. Yes, you heard me right. First of all, I started learning grammar. I don't know from where this idea had come in my mind, but I started from grammar, and it literally helped me a lot. See, many people, they say that grammar is important and grammar is not important. But my friend, I felt throughout my journey, grammar helped me a lot, because I was not aware of this language so much. That is why I had to learn grammar, and it helps me now also. Okay? See, why I emphasize on learning grammar? Because if you don't learn grammar, most of the time you will carry one doubt in your mind, whether you are speaking right or wrong. And I don't want you to carry this doubt. You should kill this doubt. How can you kill this doubt? If you practice grammar, you know, we usually make grammatical mistakes. So that is why we should work on grammar. Since from our beginning days, it will help us a lot, because it helped me a lot and now it helps me also. So in your case also, learn grammar. Okay, if you are a beginner, because that's what I did as a beginner. Other thing, I started working on vocabulary. I started learning separately vocabulary, you know. Afterward, I started shadowing practice. Yes. You know what? When I started shadowing practice, I didn't know what they used to speak, because most of the time I used to imitate native speaker. So I could not understand the whole meaning of the sentence or what they used to say, but I used to imitate. And why I used to do? There was one reason also, because I had heard that if you want to learn this language, you should imitate. So I started, and it literally helped me. You know what? It's a kind of exercise. If you do shadowing practice, you will improve this language little faster. My friend, initially when I used to speak this language, many people, they used to judge me. They used to guess that from where I used to speak, you know, like that. They used to tell that you may be from UP, Bihar. Why? Because in my speaking, my mother tongue impact was there. So they were saying that your mother tongue influence is there in your speaking. So work on your pronunciation. Then they used to correct me again and again. It's okay if someone is correcting you or if someone is correcting me, but how long, you know. We don't feel good at certain point, right? From inside we don't say it outwardly that I'm not feeling good. We listen and we smile, but inside we feel, I wish I could work on this thing so that no one will tell me that where you should work, right? So many people, they used to tell me that you may be from UP or Bihar because your English is like that, you are not speaking well, you need to work on your pronunciation. So I found that shadowing practice helped me a lot to work on my pronunciation, plus to improve this language, you know. See, children, what they do, they don't understand what we are speaking, they imitate sometime, right? They don't mean also what they are saying, but they imitate. So it's a kind of exercise if we want to learn any language, you know. So shadowing practice helped me a lot, and my pronunciation was not good, so it helped me, plus it's a kind of exercise, I told you, right? See, there is another thing that we need to do, that is tongue twister practice. I haven't done it much, but I do it sometime because it's also a good technique to exercise our tongue, our lips, our mouth, our jaw, you know. Because if we do tongue twister practice, it will make us capable to speak this language better way. We won't make pronunciation type of mistakes, you know. So that is why we need to work on these all things. I didn't start working on my tongue twister since from my beginning day, but I remember I started working on my shadowing practice. I started shadowing practice, you know. So it helped me a lot. So if you are a beginner, start doing this practice. If you ask me now, so I have left to practicing grammar. Yes, it's been so long. I don't practice grammar because I feel that if I make mistake, then I will work on my grammar. But I noticed that much mistake I don't make. Grammatical mistake I don't make. So that is why I have stopped learning it. But if I feel the need, I will definitely start, you know. Coming to shadowing practice, I haven't stopped. Still I practice because somewhere or the other it helps me to improve my English or to speak this language better way. I feel the differences the day I do shadowing practice and the day I don't do shadowing practice. I told you that it's a kind of exercise. I feel more flexible while speaking English language, or mainly I feel when I record my video or when I talk to my friend, they feel the differences. You know, they ask me, did you do shadowing practice? I say yes. And when I make my video, there is flexibility because of shadowing practice. Later on, I added one thing also that is very helpful for me, and it is none other than reading books. I would say that ever since I started reading books, it started helping me a lot, you know. Books, they helped me a lot to improve my English language, and still they are helping me. I guess I will never stop reading books because they are becoming my true friend. Along with that one, my English is also improving. So these all things I do for improving my English, and I record my video also. That also plays vital role, right? Because when I record, I can figure out my mistakes, that where I'm making mistakes and all. So these all things I do. I hope my video is little bit helpful for you people. If it is, then please like, share, subscribe. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.